In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 300 dpi resolution images using Canva tool Stat T-shirt design. Creating custom t-shirt designs can be a lot of fun and a great way to express your creativity. Whether you're designing for yourself, a gift, or even a small business, Canva makes it super easy to create professional-looking designs without the need for advanced graphic design skills. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to create and export a high-quality t-shirt design optimized for printing using Canva. If you don't already have a Canva account, you can use the link in the description to sign up for free. First things first, head over to Canva and log into your account. If you're new to Canva, don't worry. Creating an account is quick, easy, and completely free. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Canva dashboard, where all the design magic happens. Now, to get started, look for the Create a Design button. You'll find it at the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it, and a search box will appear. In this box, type T-shirt and select the option that pops up. This step is important because it ensures your canvas is perfectly sized for typical t-shirt print areas, using the correct dimensions. Right from the start helps you avoid any frustrating resizing issues later. Once your canvas is ready, you'll notice a gallery of pre-designed t-shirt templates. Take your time to browse through these options and find one that matches your vision. Remember, you can fully customize these templates later, so pick one that feels close to what you're looking for, even if it's not perfect yet. Now that you've selected a template, it's time to modify the design in Canva's editor. Start by changing the text. This could be a message, slogan, or quote that you want to feature on the t-shirt. Next, adjust the font to suit your design style. Maybe you want something bold and eye-catching, or perhaps a more elegant and minimalistic look. After that, experiment with colors to create visual impact that really pops. You can also move elements around on the canvas to refine the overall layout. Keep in mind that a clear, bold design is easier to read and works best on t-shirts. If you want to take your design a step further, you can add additional elements. On the left sidebar of the editor, you'll find options to search for icons, shapes, illustrations, or even photos. Simply drag and drop the elements you like onto your canvas. Then adjust their size and position until they fit seamlessly into your design. Just remember, while extra elements can enhance your design, simplicity often works best for t-shirts. Once you've finished adding and modifying all the elements, take a moment to review your design. Look at it as a whole and make any final adjustments. This is your chance to ensure everything looks just right before proceeding. A quick tip here: bold and simple designs not only look great, but also translate better when printed on fabric. When you're satisfied with your design, it's time to export it. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click the Share button. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Now you'll see several format options. For this project, make sure you choose PDF print as your file format. This ensures your design will be exported at the highest resolution, making it ideal for professional printing. Next, expand the color options before downloading your file. Here you'll want to select the CMYK color profile. This is essential because CMYK is optimized for print and ensures that the colors in your final product will match what you see on your screen as closely as possible. Finally, click the Download button and wait for the file to process. If your design contains a lot of elements or details, it might take a little longer to download, but don't worry, that's a good sign of a high-resolution file. Once the file is ready, you can send it to your preferred print shop or upload it to a print-on-demand service. And that's it. So now you know exactly how to create and export a high-quality t-shirt design in Canva, perfectly optimized for printing. If you have any questions or want to share your own design tips, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.